Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss class 7th integers. Due to hectic schedule, I did not prepare any videos prepared. So now I am going to explain weekly one or two videos I shall keep. Watch the videos what I am showing. This is for our lower class children as well as higher class children I shall keep. Here integers means z, Jelen number or I integers. Jelen is German word. In German language integers, that is z, that's why it is integers. Set of integers, negative numbers, these are -1, -2, -3 etc. up to infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to infinite it is present. Properties of addition. Here very important things are properties only. After learning the properties you can understand doing sums, you can solve the sums easily. First one, closure property. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. Suppose a and b both are integers. If you are adding a plus b also integer, then it is follow the closure property. For example, I am giving three variety models. -7, 5 belongs to z. -7 plus 5. Here operation is plus closure. So -7 plus 5 means its value is -2. -2 belongs to z, This is in integers. So closure property is present under addition. Closure property under addition. That means this property is having 2, 3. 2 are positive numbers I am taking. 2, 3 belongs to z. That means both are integers, positive integers. 2 plus 3, of course, the value is 5, belongs to z. It is also closure under addition. Next, third one is -3, -4. Both I am taking as negative integers, belongs to z. You add -3 plus 4. See, -3 plus of -4 is equal to -3 plus into minus, so -4 coming. -3, -4, both are negative value. Same sign means you need to add 3 plus 4, 7. But negative sign is more, that's why -7 coming. So both are same sign, minus sign you should keep. Same sign means add, sign should keep -7, belongs to z. Commutative property. What is commutative property means? For any two integers, just observe, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. That means any order, it is one order, a plus b, b plus a reverse order. So in any order the values won't be changed. Example I am giving, -7, 5 belongs to z. That means -7 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus of -7. That value is, both are same, -7. I am taking another example for both positive integers, negative integers. One is negative, one is positive. I am taking 2, 3 belongs to z. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. That means is equal to 5. Value is not changed. Order is, in any order, value won't be changed. That's why this is a commutative property under addition. I am doing all addition only. First of all, I am telling properties, laws or rule. You can use any word, no problem. -3, -4 belongs to z. Here -3 plus of -4 is equal to -4 plus of -3 is equal to total value is -7. That means value won't be changed. In any order, the value won't be changed. Now we are going to discuss about associative law. Associative law or associative property. Associative property or law or rule, any number you can use. For any three integers a, b, c, here we are taking three integers. There previously two only we are taking. Here three we are taking. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. You should understood how I am pronouncing also. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. That means open bracket we are keeping in an order. Here order is Just we are keeping, just changing of one bracket. 2, 3, 5 example you take. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Again 2 plus 3 plus 5. Here in this associative property, 3 plus 5 in bracket, this is 8. Of course, 8 plus 2 plus 8 means 10. Here, 2 plus 3, 5. Later, this will be plus adding. 5 plus 5, 10. That means associative property means we need to take 3 numbers. Just order of the value is changing. That means bracket is changing one place. That is associative property. Additive identity I am telling. For any integer a, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. That means you are adding 0 to any number, the value is, the same value is coming. 0 is an additive identity. 0 is an additive identity. So here I am giving example minus 8 plus 0. 0 plus of minus 8. The value won't be changed because 0 value doesn't have. So minus 8 coming. Here 23 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 23 is equal to 23. That means here 0 is an additive identity. Additive identity coming. Previously we are discussing about addition properties. Now we are discussing about properties of multiplication. Closure property. For any two integers a and b, a into b is an integer. A into b is an integer. That means by giving example you can understand. Minus 2, minus 3 I took two numbers. Both are negative integers. Belongs to z, you know. But multiplication minus 2 into minus 3 means 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus. So 6 is positive integer coming. Of course it is integer. So that's why closure under multiplication. This property is called closure under multiplication. Previously addition we have done. Now multiplication. Minus 2 comma 3 belongs to z. That means one is negative integer, another one is positive integer. Now multiply. Minus 2 within the bracket you are keeping means into only. Minus 2 bracket 3 means that 2 3s are 6, minus 6 belongs to z. 2 comma 3 belongs to z. Both are positive numbers. Multiply 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 belongs to z. So here property, what is property? Closure under multiplication. That means any two integers multiplication, again integer only coming. That is closure property. Suppose commutative property. For any two integers, a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. As previously we have discussed in addition property, here multiplication is there. Order is changed. That's all. Any order you can take, that value is same. Example I am taking 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. The value is 6 only. Any order you are changing, even order changing also, value is same. This is called commutative property. Mainly you need to understand a into b is equal to b into a. Near coming FA examinations, such type of properties only they'll ask. Children, you must focus on the properties. Sums you can do easily based on these properties. Associative property. For any three integers, previously we have discussed the same way. For any three integers a, b, c, here a into b into c is equal to a into b, this is in bracket, into c outside. That means just bracket order only changed. Bracket order changed. First a into b into c is equal to a into b into c we kept. Now example 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. Suppose you need to multiply first. 3 4s are 12. 2 into 12 means 12 2s are, or 2 12s are 24, you know. Here 2 3s are 6. 6 into 4 means 24. Both values same, not changed. So multiplicative identity, it is one of the important property in our syllabus. Multiplicative identity, what that means? For any integer a, for any integer a, that means any number you can take. Any integer means you are taking one example as commonality. We are taking a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. That means a into 1 is a only, 1 into a also a only. 1 is multiplicative identity. 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. That means I am taking some of the examples. Here positive I took, now negative. Minus 3 into 1, negative integer. 1 into minus 3 only. Multiplication by 0 for any integer, a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. That means multiplication with 0 always coming 0. That is one of the important property. Minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Even positive or negative change as vice versa. Downside 4 into 0 is equal to 0 into 4, 0 only coming. Most of the important properties, distributive property or distributive law for any integers a, b and c. Here both operations means into and plus will be present. So that's why this is distributive property over into and plus both are present. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. A is in left side, that's why this is left distributive law. Of course, they are not giving separate name, its value, they won't ask separate property. Generally, we are calling as left distributive law. Of course, this A is present right side means that is right distributive law. Sometimes they may ask in the examinations, that's why I am telling. A into here B minus C, here operation is changed. So A into B minus A into C. Children, you can understand already you have done this, all the contents in the classes you might have observed. Overall idea about entire lesson I am giving. Based on this, if you are watching this video, you can get the very clear idea about entire chapter information. Later another chapter also present. Both topics are there for FA exams. So better to prepare, not only exams purpose. In future so many inter-level up to inter-level, so many topics will come as these properties. 2 into 3 plus 4. I am taking one example. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. In middle plus is there, that's why I am keeping plus. Suppose you are keeping as above equation, yes, like that you can keep minus also. If you want one example, you can take. Multiplication of positive and negative integers. Multiplication of positive and negative integers. Now I am taking with the first a into minus b is equal to minus ab coming. Negative only. That means positive into negative, you will get negative. 2 into minus 3, 2 3s are 6, but minus 6. Multiplication of negative and negative integer. Both negative integers suppose you are taking means minus a into minus b is equal to minus into minus plus a into b, ab. That means positive integer coming. Now I am taking with example minus 2 into minus 3. That means minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. This is positive. Now subtraction properties we are discussing. Actually subtraction properties are not follow in all cases. Only few condition observed. Suppose for any integers a comma b, a minus b belongs to z. In this condition only closure property is observed, remaining won't be. That's why we are not having in the syllabus also. That's why we did not discuss about it, those remaining. 2 minus 3 means minus 1 belongs to z. Now division properties, you may ask that associative property, commutative property, like that. But those are not present in our syllabus. So we are not discussing actually. Okay, division properties for any See children, for any a divided by 0, for any integer a divided by 0 is not defined. That means any number by 0 is not defined. That means infinite value coming. So that's why we are not taking. Suppose a divided by 1 is equal to a only. Example, 100 by 1 is equal to 100. 1000 by 1, 1000 only. 2 by 1, 2 only. 5 by 1, 5 only. Like that, division by with one number means same only coming. A divided by minus b. A divided by minus b means you can take minus a divided by b. That means b is not equal to 0 here. Denominator should not be 0. If denominator is 0, that value is not defined. That means undefined. Okay, here I am giving example 20 divided by minus 5 means you can write 20 by minus 5. But minus 5 should not keep in denominator. You should take upside minus 20 into the numerator. This minus carries into numerator minus 20 by 5. That means 5 4s are 20. Minus 4 only coming. Like this, minus a divided by minus b means minus minus get cancel. A divided b only coming. A by b. For example, you can take minus 20 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 20 by minus 5 is equal to 4 by 1. Why? Because 5 1s are 5 4s are. So it is equal to 4. That means value is got. Here we are discussing only the properties. Mostly all sums you can solve in these word problems. 1 or 2 are there. Important sums I shall explain in another video. Children, you need to understand these concepts. Once write in a A4 sheet so that you can revise all one after one. I shall keep so much time now. You can write easily. I shall keep some more time to write again. See children, I am holding for some time to write entire contents in A4 sheet. These are helpful in further standards. So that's why I am holding for some time the entire matter to write at last. After listening, you can write entire. This is the last page in this video what I have explained. We will discuss in some other video entire sums in the first chapter. Again I shall prepare second chapter video also. Two videos I shall keep based on the subject length I shall keep. Okay children. Thoroughly watch it so many times so that you can understand the main concepts. Based on this topic, you can solve the sums easily. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.